These RC machines should not exist, but they do. We're not talking about toys. These are insane, high-power machines built with extreme speed and engineering that feels completely unreal. Some of these can launch into the air and land perfectly. Others can climb terrain that doesn't even look drivable. And here's the craziest part. They're not prototypes. They're real, and you can actually own them. So what happens when RC technology goes too far? Let's find out. Starting things off, we have the Traxxas E-Revo. And this thing is an absolute beast. Imagine a monster truck so tough that you could toss it down a gravel hill, run it over rocks, smash it through mud, and it just keeps going like nothing happened. The E-Revo is built that way by design. Its massive tires grip just about any surface you throw at it, from uneven dirt trails to grass fields to chunky pavement. What really sets it apart is how it handles big air. You can launch this truck off a ramp, watch it fly through the sky, and land it smoothly like it just stepped off an action movie set. It has that perfect mix of power, durability, and balance that makes every single run feel exciting. Whether you are a first-timer or a seasoned RC enthusiast, the E-Revo delivers pure adrenaline without apology. Now, shifting gears entirely, let us talk about something that will blow your mind for a completely different reason. The Bugatti Chiron ride-on is one of the most stunning things you can get for a young car lover. This is a full-sized kids ride-on car modeled after one of the most iconic luxury supercars in the world. The level of detail on this thing is unreal. It looks like someone just shrunk a real Bugatti and handed it over. The lights actually work, giving it that sleek, premium look even when it is sitting still. Kids can sit inside and drive it themselves, but there is also a remote control option for parents who want to take the wheel. It is not just a toy. It is a statement piece that teaches kids to appreciate design, craftsmanship, and the feeling of driving something truly special. Moving into pure speed territory, here comes the Primal RC 1/5 scale Dragster. If you have ever watched a drag race and felt your heart pound during those first few explosive seconds, this machine captures that exact energy. The Dragster has a long rear body, 2 fat back tires for grip, and a sleek narrow front end that slices through the air. The moment you hit the throttle, this thing launches forward like a rocket. We are talking serious speed reached in just a few seconds from a standing start. It is wild to watch, and even more thrilling to control. This is not a casual weekend vehicle. This is a precision speed machine built for people who want to know what it actually feels like to run a quarter-mile sprint on a miniature scale. Next up is the Traxxas TRX-6, and this one is for the off-road obsessed. What makes it truly unique is the 6-wheel design. Most RC trucks run on 4 wheels, but the TRX-6 adds 2 more, and that changes everything. Those extra wheels give it superior balance and traction across terrain that would stop other vehicles cold. We are talking steep, rocky slopes, deep ruts, uneven ground, and yes, even water crossings. This truck handles obstacles like a champion. It climbs, it crawls, it pushes through, and it does all of that with confidence. If you have ever wanted an RC vehicle that feels like it could survive anything the outdoors throws at it, the TRX-6 is the answer. Now for something with a classic soul. The Losi 1969 Chevy Camaro V100 AWD is a love letter to muscle car culture. The body is detailed and gorgeous, capturing the spirit of the legendary 1969 Camaro with working lights and a finish that turns heads. But underneath that gorgeous exterior is a seriously capable machine. It rides smooth, stays stable on the road, and has the ability to pull off drift maneuvers that look absolutely cinematic. All-wheel drive means it puts power down evenly, giving you control whether you are cruising or showing off. It is the kind of RC car that appeals to both collectors and drivers. Then there is the Redcat Racing Gen 8 Scout 2, and this one plays a completely different game. This machine is built for climbing. Serious, technical, slow-speed climbing over rocks and hills that would defeat almost anything else on four wheels. It does not rush. It does not need to. The Gen 8 is about precision and grip, moving inch by inch up challenging surfaces while staying perfectly planted. If you enjoy the puzzle of navigating rough terrain without rolling or slipping, this is your machine. Rounding out this incredible lineup is the Redcat Racing Camo TT Pro. This off-road truck is all about suspension technology. Its suspension system is engineered to absorb, impact, and maintain balance even at full speed across rough ground. Hit a bump, catch air, land hard, and the Camo TT Pro just smooths it all out and keeps charging forward. It handles off-road chaos the way a professional rally car handles gravel roads. Fast, controlled, and always composed. That suspension is the star of the show, and it makes every run feel incredibly satisfying. 7 machines, 7 completely different experiences, and each one offers something genuinely remarkable for RC enthusiasts of every kind.